If you wear an Apple Watch to bed, you've seen the colorful charts. You woke up, saw you got 45 minutes of deep sleep, and thought, great, but have you ever stopped to ask, how does it know? Your watch doesn't have electrodes connected to your scalp. It can't read your brainwaves. It can't see your dreams. Technically, it's blind to your brain activity. So how does a sensor on your wrist distinguish between dreaming, deep recovery, and just lying in bed watching TikTok? The answer lies in a specific combination of two sensors and a massive database of clinical exams. The watch relies on two main pieces of hardware. First, the accelerometer. This measures gross movements, like rolling over, and subtle movements, like the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. Second, the optical heart sensor. This uses photoplethysmography (PPG) to track your heart rate and, crucially, your HRV heart rate variability. Apple takes this raw data and feeds it into machine learning models. These models were trained against the medical gold standard of sleep tracking called polysomnography. It basically breaks your entire night into 30-second blocks called epochs and classifies every single block based on physiological patterns. Here's exactly what it looks for in each stage. First, awake. This is the easy part. If the accelerometer sees high motion and your heart rate is elevated above your resting baseline, the watch marks that epoch as awake. Next is core sleep. You might know this as light sleep on Fitbit or Aura. They are effectively the same thing. Clinically, sleep has stages N1, N2, and N3. Apple just combines N1 and N2 and calls it core. This is your default sleep state. The watch looks for moderate motion but a slowing heart rate and a drop in body temperature. If you're asleep, you're usually here. Then we get to the good stuff. Deep sleep, or N3. To verify this, the watch looks for total stillness. Zero motion from the accelerometer. Your heart rate and breathing rate hit their absolute lowest, steadiest points of the night. This is physical recovery. But REM sleep is where the technology gets impressive. REM is a biological paradox. Your brain is hyperactive almost as if you are awake, so your heart rate variability shoots up. But biologically, your muscles are paralyzed to stop you from acting out your dreams. The watch detects this specific combo, active brain plus paralyzed body. If your heart rate is volatile but your motion sensors are dead flat, it classifies it as REM, now a warning. Because this is an estimation and not a medical diagnosis, it can be tricked. If you lie perfectly still in bed reading a book or meditating, your heart rate drops and you stop moving. The watch effectively sees deep sleep signals. It cannot distinguish between Zen meditation and deep sleep without reading brain waves. To get the best data possible, do two things. 1. Tighten your strap. If the green light leaks out, it can't read HRV and it has to guess based on motion alone. 2. Use sleep focus mode. This forces the watch to sample your heart rate at the highest frequency possible. Do that and those colorful charts will actually mean something.